Hey guys, it's Phil the Water Stain Doctor here again. 20 odd years in this industry, know what I'm doing. Now I've just picked up a new car. This is probably one of the last cars I'll buy for my business. I just upgraded it and it's got water staining all over it. So check this out. Pretty typical for Asian imports. You get a lot of acid rain, can you see that? It's pretty obvious all the way through, and even on the windshield as well. You may not be able to see it that clearly on the windshield, but it is stained. A little bit more difficult to see. You can see some build up along here, but it's actually all through the main body of the windshield. Not as bad as the side, because obviously dark glass heats up a lot more than standard. We'll give it a bit of a wash and a clean first, but I'm going to restore this all back. Take me about 30 minutes, been doing this a long time. I've got a polisher here, special synthetic pad. Do not use abrasive pads on glass because you'll sheen it, you'll scratch it. And some of our original Water Stain Doctor paste. So we'll crank it up and we'll show you the result in about 20 minutes. This is Phil. Okay guys, and here's the result. Water Stain Doctor Global Ops. Been doing these vehicles for over 20 years. We do building glass, we do marine, we do boat work, we do showers, we do house windows, the lot. It works. Check this out. This needs a little bit of a clean, but should be pretty obvious there. Yeah, no scratching, no sheening, no acids needed. Just needs a little bit of a clean. All done. I've come all around these side windows and I've also done the windshield. So you can do a whole car like this in about 45 minutes. We've got a lot of individuals that buy the business startup kits as well and do this as a mobile service around the world. It's an absolute no-brainer. If you want to stick to a wage and be limited by what your employer is going to pay you, you go for it. What surprises me is that a lot of dealerships, vehicle dealerships, don't even make the effort to restore this water staining. It can be done. They only need to get off their backsides and research it online. But in my experience in purchasing cars for many years, 20, 30, 40 years, it's in the too hard basket. There's only a select few dealerships that I've dealt with that actually make the effort to get the water staining out, and not being able to do it is not an excuse. It's been a system that's been around for a long time. There are other systems around the world, I'm sure. I don't know how good they are compared to ours, but we are constantly hit with work. Mining companies, limescale, calcium, silica, iron, copper, etc. It all etches onto glass. We can get it out. The Water Stain Doctor.